I love this. She just started putting the whole thing.
Hi. Ask you a question. What do you think about the people here in Qatar?
That everyone so far is so nice. So everyone is very respectful and they wanted to help. They're very also they kids like everyone is healthy. So I have a very good experience so far.
MashaAllah.
I like how people in Qatar enjoy it. It's not.
People are so kind and people is nice.
Actually, I'm living here a long time here, about 15 years.
MashaAllah. 15 years.
We enjoyed here in Qatar.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
I think they're very kind. I don't know who's actually from Qatar and who isn't because it's so diverse. But everyone's been really helpful.
She can buy it, but if you go to a Muslim country, we don't know racism or this stuff. And you won't even know,
Like helping us get everywhere and
MashaAllah.
just like you, very sweet, very nice people.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Qatar. Thank you so much. Bye.
What's better than you come to the country and someone is just giving you chocolate? Oh, I like it. Mine just don't go like this. Oh, that guy's clever. Instead of taking like this, he just catch you, man. Like it. Here is the point. Those non-Muslims, they just face to Qatar and mashallah, those sisters, they just wanna show the beautiful of the hijab. And why not? It's beautiful. It is really beautiful. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, wear the hijab is not an oppression. It's just making you more beautiful and more comfortable being, mashallah. Let's watch. She looks like serial mom, wallahi, mashallah. Look at her! Really?